Okay, for 40, they give us a sequence right here, right? And clearly I can see they're adding 4, right? It's arithmetic. Okay, if you want to find the 50th sequence, would an explicit or recursive? Well, recursive only lets you find the next term, right? So to find the 50th, you'd have to find the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, all the way up to 50. Explicit would allow us to plug in 50 and find out what the value is. So that's clearly explicit, right? Okay, write the equation in first term. We're not going to write it. We're going to write it in explicit form. So B, right? So it's -3, 1, 5, 9. So we know that they're adding 4, right? Plus 4. So that means to find this imaginary 0th term, we'd subtract 4, and we'd get -7. So now we write the equation. T of n equals this one, the 4n, and then the -7, which is this, right, the 0th term. So there it is in explicit form. And then what's the 50th term? So C would be T of 50, right, equals 4 times 50 minus 7, which equals 200 minus 7, which equals 193. So the 50th term is 193. Okay, and then let's make some space here. They want the explicit equation for this, right, for D. So it's 3, 2 and 2/3, 2 and 1/3, 2, 1 and 2/3, right? So clearly they are subtracting 1/3 each time, subtracting 1/3, right? So it's arithmetic, right? They're subtracting 1/3, and they want an explicit. So first we have to find this imaginary 0th term, right? So let's do that. So that means we would add 1/3. So this would be 3 and 1/3, that imaginary 0th term. Okay, so now we get T of n equals this one, -1/3 n, -1/3 n, and then plus this, right? Plus 3 and 1/3. There's the explicit equation, and we're not going to write that in first term form, right? We're just going to write that